Hello, hello. I'm Greg Dawson, the founder of 3Strand Solutions, 3Strand.ai, and host of the Business Automation Podcast. And today, Bailey and I are here to talk about this week's free tools. These AI tools are available to our subscribers for free for a week, starting on Saturdays and expiring on Fridays, so take advantage of them quickly. If you want free access to these tools, press like and then register for free at start.3strand.ai. Check the post or description down below for a link. Please note we can only give you access to the tools for free until this Friday, June 21st. Now let me introduce Bailey, who will give us an introduction of this week's free featured AI tools.
Hey everyone, Bailey here. Allow me to introduce this week's expert advisor, Stephen Dubner. This tool provides you with personalized advice, expert strategies, actionable playbooks, and continuous adaptable support, all based on the wisdom of Stephen Dubner. Let's jump in. Our expert advisor tool will of course start out by saying, let's get started. It's then going to ask you to provide a project or challenge and how it can assist us. In this case, I'm currently working on improving the efficiency of my team's workflow. We've been struggling with meeting deadlines and staying organized. How can I help my team work more effectively and ensure we hit our targets? We'll then go through a series of multiple choice questions, narrowing down the obstacles and what our challenge really is, and then be provided with a set of solutions, in this case 5, and it will ask us to choose one to create a playbook for. I chose 3, optimize with simple rules, and it will provide us with a what I would do and why I would do it this way. Then it will ask us what specific time frame we would like this playbook for. I chose over 1 week. And then it will provide us with the playbook itself, breaking down for each day what we need to accomplish. Next, the Influence AI-powered skill coach tool guides users in creating action plans to develop persuasive skills and successful negotiation strategies. It provides personalized coaching to enhance your ability to influence and achieve desired outcomes effectively. This tool will first ask us what area we'd like to focus on. I chose responds effectively to the reactions and positions of others. And it will then go through a series of multiple choice questions, narrowing down what the specific challenges are as it relates to influencing people. And in this case, our initial challenge that we chose of responding effectively to the reactions and positions of others. After these questions, it will provide us again with a series of solutions. I chose 5, enhance verbal skills. And then I chose today in this case, and it provided me with a checklist for enhancing verbal skills today, broken out into morning, mid-morning, afternoon, late afternoon, and evening. And with each of these, it provides you with the steps to work on this, as well as the amount of time that you should allow for each step. The Brand Story tool, one of our strategy AI tools, assists businesses in developing an authentic and compelling narrative that highlights their mission, values, and unique selling points. By crafting a cohesive and engaging story, it strengthens brand identity and fosters deeper connections with customers. This tool will first start by asking us for our core customer psychology profile. If you'd like to know more about having us draft a customer psychology profile for you, please reach out. In this case, we provided it with this fictitious customer psychology profile, and it provided us with the hero's journey for your brand, in this case, ABC Company, based on this profile. It's given us a character, the hero, has a problem, and meets a guide, being your company, who gives them a plan that calls them to action, that helps them avoid failure, and ends in success. This is the hero's journey framework, and it will clearly communicate how ABC Company, in this case, can support your customers in overcoming their challenges and achieving their goals. The Contagious Storyline Development Execution tool aids marketers and content creators in crafting compelling, shareable stories that captivate audiences. Leveraging proven storytelling techniques, it helps develop narratives that resonate emotionally and spread virally, enhancing brand messages and audience engagement. Similar to the last tool, this tool will start out by asking us for our company profile, in this case a fictitious company, and it will give us an overview of the tool, what it can help you accomplish, and how it aligns with your goals. It will then go through a series of questions, narrowing down more aspects of the product that we'd like to create a storyline for and what we're trying to highlight. After these questions, it will give us a summary of the context uncovered and then provide us with a product storyline document. In this case, we have, I believe, 8 sections that we go through: introduction, social currency, triggers, emotion, public, practical value, stories, and of course the conclusion. It will ask us if we're ready to start with part 1. We'll say yes, and it will produce the introduction for this storyline. And of course, you're going to want to go through each of these 8 sections. And lastly, we have the Different AI-powered book tool, which guides you through the key ideas from the book Different by Youngmi Moon, helping you apply them to your most significant goals and challenges, and it provides actionable insights to overcome obstacles and achieve your objectives. This tool will start by giving you a multiple choice of what obstacle you're currently facing. I chose difficulty in differentiating your product or service from competitors. We'll then go through another series of multiple choice questions and provide you with, in this case, 4 different solutions. I chose solution number 1, reverse positioning, and it then asked me the timeline I'd like this solution to be for. In this case, I chose over 1 month. And then it provided us with the reverse positioning checklist over a period of 4 weeks. And with each of these tools, please remember you want to give as much context to ChatGPT as possible, especially if you choose the other option in those multiple choice questions. If you give it very little context, you will be disappointed at how broad and general the responses are. But if you give it a lot of context and data, you will be surprised how these tools can help you accomplish your goals better, faster, and cheaper than a human being. I hope this was helpful to see how we can fill your company's toolbox with AI-enabled tools that do help you do things better, faster, and cheaper across all of the critical areas of your business. Again, if you want free access to these tools until Friday, June 28, press like and then register at start.3strand.ai. The link can be found in the post or description down below. Now let me turn things back over to Greg.
Our goal is to end AI business illiteracy, starting with those in your business. We can help individuals at any level within your business and with any AI knowledge level, starting from the bottom with someone who isn't using AI at all, helping them earn their white belt and progressing up through the ranks of AI business literacy all the way to black belt. We do this in our AI Foundations training course. If you'd like to know more about this course, we invite you to attend our next AI for Work Nano Summit, which is a 1-hour interactive and immersive event about the future of AI for leaders. All that is required is your name and email address. The next Nano Summit is June 28th from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern. Register for free for a limited time at www.3strand.ai/nanosummit. Thank you and have a blessed day.